Blogineers, today we're going to unbox and demo Detective Agency by Osmo. In this game, we'll be solving mysteries around the world. And this game is for ages 5 and up, and an Osmo base is required. If this looks interesting to you, you can purchase it at the link in the description. And now let's open it up. Here we go. So this is what it looks like. Over here at the front is grown-up instructions. It basically tells you how to set up your iPad with the Osmo reflector, but we'll do that later. So now I'm going to get these things out.
Ooh, they have little binder holders.
Oh, this is like a suitcase, huh?
With these flap things.
It says property of detective, and then you can write your name. And then there's stamps from different places around the world, such as New York, Cairo, Sydney, the world.
And here are flaps for all the cities.
Oh,
back and forth.
Oh yeah, these are flaps. So for example, over here there's a Statue of Liberty, which means this is probably the mystery case about New York. So this side of the board is a scene of New York, USA. And then on the back there's Beijing, China. Okay, and then there's even more in this box. So I'll just take out the next one, which includes Cairo, Egypt, and Rio
de Janeiro,
Brazil.
Oh, yeah.
Next up, we have
Sydney, Australia.
Sydney. And Paris.
Paris, France.
Next
the world
is the world. This is a map of the world. And then finally,
Osmo Town.
So what I really like about this is how they included a city from each of the continents.
Wait.
And then, oh my.
A magnifying glass.
So take it out.
And now you can see stuff really close.
Oh wow, that's cool. There you have it. That's Osmo Detective Agency. So now we're going to get the Osmo base, which has a reflector along with it, and then an iPad. We have our iPad over here, and now I'm going to click the Osmo Detective Agency app. It's loading, loading, loading.
Good.
Okay. I'm going to press story mode. How old are you?
Oh, hi. Welcome to your detective office. What's your name? Nice to meet you. I'm Alto. The office has been so quiet, but now you're here. Let's open up your detective agency and start helping people. Here comes your first case. Oh no! Beatrice's cat is missing. We gotta help her.
Oh,
Tap the cat.
Someone stole her cat. That person is a thief.
Okay, you want to press play? Uh-oh, is that the thief over there? The cat was just stolen.
Find your Osmo Town map by looking for the symbol.
Oh, we're doing that one. Osmo.
Oh, okay.
Place the Osmo Town map in front of your device.
Okay, so over here we have our Osmo Town map. So I guess that's the very first game we're playing. Okay, so our barn is over here.
Glass down on the map.
Oh, they arrived at the barn too late?
Keep chasing them.
Uh-oh, it arrived over here.
Yay! We found another clue. When you find, remember to hold your magnifying glass down on the map when you found the clue.
Okay, so we found the observatory.
Really? That's the... There's the thief. Too late.
Oh, look. The thief is plotting something. But we can beat them if we follow the clues.
There, you can try.
In Bangladesh, there are schools on boats. The boats have internet and a library too.
Oh, okay, that's a fun fact.
What schools are on boats?
Poor cat.
Oh no! I'm not sure where to look next. Let's try asking someone. If you ever need a hint, tap on the hint button.
Okay.
This is your help center, where you can get help when you need it. Try it now.
Okay, let's press the map.
Clue is somewhere on this part of the map.
This part of the map is...
These two.
Okay. Oh wait, we can't really fold it.
No, look.
Okay, so now we know that
Uh-oh,
the thief doesn't
okay.
want to do this.
Our time is almost up.
Nope.
So we just oh that.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it took us so long to find a dog.
Find your Rio de Janeiro map by looking for the symbol.
Oh, Rio de Janeiro. So we're flying and then we're going to Rio de Janeiro.
Okay, so out here. Here's our suitcase.
Rio de Janeiro map.
Okay, this is the Rio de Janeiro map. Well, this isn't, but the back is.
Yeah. Place it front.
Find your Rio de Janeiro map by looking for the symbol. Place the Rio de Janeiro map in front of your device.
Okay, we did that.
There we go.
We're
We're flying there. From wherever Osmo Town is.
We have a clue for where the thief went. When you find the boat, slide your map so Francesco can see it.
Oh, here.
Oh, it's here, yeah. Can you just... Yeah. Oh,
We
yeah.
have a clue for where the thief went.
That's the Christ statue. The famous Christ the Redeemer, yeah.
There.
It is illegal to climb the Christ the Redeemer statue, but some people do it anyway.
People climb the statue? That's tall and dangerous. Okay, so we need to find a...
Rabbit. Oh, like these rabbits.
Which rabbit?
No, like these, but they are.
Yay!
Bunny.
Oh. Did we find the painting?
Piece of the painting. The thief
Oh,
must
the
have ripped
piece.
it. Let's take it back to the office.
So we found a piece of the stolen painting. But that was only one out of maybe 4 pieces.
Let's see. Oh, press the stolen.
Oh, so if we want to continue on part 2, then we press play again. I see. So we have played just a portion of the Osmo Detective Agency. And I will say that so far it is pretty fun. Okay, brother, what is your favorite thing about this?
My favorite thing is finding all the objects.
On the map? And I actually like this magnifying glass thingy. It's like a real detective. My favorite part was how real the maps look compared to everyday life. I mean, I know this is not like a picture or anything, it's a drawing, but it has everything related to Rio de Janeiro in this case. From the Christ the Redeemer statue to the beaches. Another thing that is cool is that there are a whole lot of maps that you can play.
I also like this suitcase.
Oh yeah, the suitcase is nice. And then finally, I like how you can play each map multiple times. For example, the Rio de Janeiro that we just did, we only did like 1/4 of it. So there's a lot of content to this, and it is very fun. Once again, if this looks interesting to you, you can purchase this at the link in the description. Bye.
Yeah, bye.